Hello everyone. Do you want to generate highest number of leads among your competitors using Google Ads? For example, if Google Ads has the potential to generate 5000 leads using Google search in your particular industry, do you want to be the company or business who has the capacity to generate the maximum share in these 5000 leads? Yes, do you want to be among them? So, today in this video, you are going to learn 7 Google search ads hacks to scale your campaigns profitably. Yes, I mean profitably, no just scaling your campaigns in losses. If you follow these 7 hacks, let me tell you, these 7 hacks are my 8 years of experience in Google Ads, which I am going to share in this particular video. So, please be serious and stay tuned. Now, before telling you about these 7 hacks, let me introduce you to myself. Hi, I am Rahil Ahmed Des, CEO and co-founder of Parkoyo Digital, one of the leading digital marketing agencies. I am also co-founder of Performance Marketing Hub, digital marketing training school online. So, let's get in. The first hack. Do you want to know what is the first hack? Yes, right? Okay, let me get in. The first hack starts with your keyword research. Make sure that you give enough time to research what are the right keywords in your particular industry. Now, here when I say you have to find right keywords, I don't want you to be very strict and eliminate many keywords which have potential. So if by seeing those keywords, if you feel that they are relevant to your industry, they may be relevant to your products and services, keep them. And if you feel by seeing those keywords like they are irrelevant to your products and services, immediately delete them. Once you have the set of right keywords, right, you use the hack tool. What is the second hack? Now the second hack is you have to have a keyword level conversion tracking for your ads. You can have this in Google Ads, right? With having this particular thing set up, okay, it's a bit time consuming, but listen to me, it is worth investing your time for keyword level tracking, right? You need to track which are the keywords that are giving you conversions in the form of form fills, in the form of calls, and whatever possibly you can track. Okay, one main thing which you can 100% track here is the form fills. How many people are filling your form as a lead? Now you need to know this particular person came from which keyword to fill that particular form. So that is the second hack. Now going to the third hack. When you implement your second hack, you now know which are the keywords that are highly converting keywords. Once you have this highly converting keywords, you can probably do differentiation, like you have a separate campaign for low converting keywords and have a separate campaign for high converting keywords. Now for these high converting keywords, make sure that you put them in the exact match and still check whether these were the keywords which were high converting. Once you are sure that these exact match keywords are highly converting, go to hack number 3, that is you have to improve their quality scores. Now, as you know, Google has a quality score of 10, maximum can be 10, right? I suggest invest time to make your keywords 10 out of 10 in quality score or 9 out of 9 out of 10. Either your quality score should be 10 or 9. Worst case, okay, I don't suggest this, but if it is above 7, you can be in safe zone. But if you have 9 out of 10 or 10 out of 10, rest assured that you will be getting click for this particular keyword at the lowest CPC possible among your competitors. This is the third hack. Let's go to the fourth hack. Now the fourth hack is always try to maintain first position for your Google ad. You may be feeling, oh, if I am on the first position, I will be spending the maximum CPC. No, if you have already implemented the first three hacks, right, now you will be in a position where you will be spending lowest for being on the first position. Yes, there are chances in Google Ads. If your quality scores are 10 out of 10, even by being on the first position, you will be spending lesser than the people who are on the second position and third position. This is possible with the help of high quality scores. And as you know, first position gets maximum impressions, first position gets maximum clicks, and there is certain psychology with few people, the premium people or HNIs want to go for first position. Yes, they don't have time to go research with second, third, price comparison and all those things. They just want to click on the first ad and get their products or services and solve their problems. And they also have certain credibility that if this particular ad is coming on the first position, okay, that means that company is of that caliber, is credible, right? It gives its own brand value when you are on the first position. So that is the fourth hack. Next, fifth hack. Now you are on the first position. You have so many enemies. Your other competitors and all will try their best to harm you, right? How will they harm you? They will try to do click fraud on your ads. They will do different things, right? Or they may hire some click fraud agencies to click on your ads and waste your ad budget. So how will you come out of this problem? What is the solution? The solution for this is have a good click fraud software. Now, though Google also tries its best to fight this kind of this thing like click frauds, but it has certain limitations. But if you want to have more security, okay, apart from what Google gives you, you need to have your click fraud software. Now you may ask me, does click fraud software give 100% this thing security that there won't be any click fraud in your account? No, that is not possible. 100% reduction of click fraud is not at all possible. But yes, if you use click fraud softwares, the reduction of wasted ad spend or the activity, you can reduce click fraud activity up to 70 to 90% depending on the situations. But if you're not using a click fraud softwares, you just have maybe 10 to 20% protection, because Google has certain limitation that it counts as a fraudulent click only after someone clicks on your ad for more than 3 times in a single day, right? These fraudulent people have all the ideas how to change the IP address, or they will change their devices, or different things. They will come up with all this kind of ideas, and they will be doing click fraud. So use the best click fraud software. Now you may ask me, which click fraud software should we use? Now I'll be not be telling you right now, because the click fraud softwares keep on changing. The protection levels. So if you want my suggestion like which click fraud software to use, you can comment below this video, and I will reply to it with the best click fraud software link. Okay. Yes, let's go to the next hack. Till now we have covered 5 hacks. The next hack is have a high converting landing page. When you are spending so much on ads, you're sending so much of traffic on your landing pages, you have to make sure that you reap maximum benefits out of it. Now to do that, you need to have a high converting landing page. Make sure that your landing page follows all the best practices. Use different conversion improvement tools on your landing pages to see the heat maps, to see the user behaviors on your landing page, where exactly are the users failing, okay, and change those things to get high conversions. Once this is done, next is the seventh and final hack. The final hack is your campaigns are running, they are giving you leads, but still you have opportunity to increase the conversions of leads in the same ad budget which you're spending. Okay, hardly you may have to spend 10% or 20% extra with what you're already spending to maybe 2x your number of leads. Do you want to know what is that seventh hack? Okay, let me tell you. The seventh hack is remarketing. You need to use remarketing campaigns in order to remarket to those users who have already seen your ads. Now you can use either, depending on the industry, you can either use remarketing search ads or remarketing display ads or remarketing video ads. So it all depends on your industry and what is the customer conversion time and all those things. But if you are using all these 7 hacks, you will be making maximum leads from your campaigns and your campaigns will be super profitable. So these are the 7 Google search ad hacks to scale your campaigns profitably. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about Google Ads and digital marketing. And you can also join my Facebook VIP group to learn more about Google Ads and digital marketing. There are live sessions that happen there, Q&A sessions. So all those things can be learned. The link will be either in the description or in the comments of this particular video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.